message says I may be a bit late. I got lost. Back on track. Ready to...
22980. It's Jonathan Weir Show here on campus.
Whoa.
Alright, it's time to end the show.
Damn it, you are actually stupid.
I know I got to be right now, 'cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been on that song I've been
Thank
on.
you.
It's 8 minutes. It's the long. I didn't know this is the longest Coen Brothers movie. Really? Yeah, it does.
Sleep before it got
What? Oh shoot, you just ate it. Oh, you are going for it. Damn.
Well, that's great news. For you, there's the Amazon Ghost Store. I'm poking fun at the idea that we are so fragile and we are so desperate to avoid any kind of human contact whatsoever that we need a store with no cashiers so we can buy pads.
Seriously.
That's the joke. But people... So, a couple of months back, Kyle posted a video on his Midway YouTube channel, reacting to The
Thank you.
Verge's,
Go. What the shit? KC Transportation Group, that's epic. What the hell was that for?
To go check them out. PersonaNutrition.com/hero. Get 50% off your order at this very moment. Okay, so over the weekend, big breaking news. Let's not do that anymore. And then she says, well, that really only leaves us with one option, which is catch and release.
You are
Okay,
freaking
and
kidding
there's
me.
catch and release for a while.
What
and then
the
there's a bunch
hell?
of that from the right saying, well, why are we just...
Go.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a fun little game this guy's got going. Yeah, back to creating gridlocks. You know, A+. Good job. Really liking this strat here. Alright, so we got the van, found his way through, Focus has to go around. Malibu still looks like a complete jerk. Oh, we got more cars going around. Someone makes room for the Malibu to get out of the way. KCPD, unfortunately, parking control can't really do much in this situation. It looks like that's a wrap. Malibu got out of that one. Oh, this is an interesting move here. Let's see what this guy's going to do. Well, unfortunately, guys, our view has been blocked as there is a semi trying to do semi-things. I get cut off by this asshat, because, you know, going back to that whole, screw everyone that does the right thing, I have to do the wrong thing, as someone cuts off the poor CRV behind me.
Android devices are already on the system.
A social studies teacher due in court today on charges he had a sexual relationship with a student.
Justin Adrian is charged with one count of unlawful sexual